All right, what we have here is a mystery box from the containment unit. Matt and Tom. I know they've put together 100 of these with some pretty big name special editions. You're supposed to get 2 autographs and a couple add-ins. And so let's see what we got. First off, we have some nice patches. A couple from the containment unit. Hank Duchendorf containment unit sticker. And a containment unit patch. Very nice. All right. And it looks like we have a great little seal of approval. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's an extra envelope in here. Now my hands are shaking. And I have loved seeing these sketches from Tim Lawrence. And it looks like we got a couple real good ones here. It's almost a Slimer looking one. Writing on the paper. Oh my gosh, double-sided. This one is incredible. All right. Let's see what we have in this pack here. I have a ton of the ray gun cards. They're my favorite. And, oh, wow. Doesn't get much better than that. William Atherton, GB1. Let's see who we got here. I'm not sure. I'll have to do a little research who this guy is. But I know I don't have that one. But let's not wait any longer. There's a golden sealed envelope in here. And this has me... I've watched some unboxings and I haven't seen anyone else get a gold seal envelope. So let's see here. Here we go, guys. I'm like shaking. No shit. Bill Murray. Bill fucking Murray. No way. No way, no way, no way. Oh my God. Bill Murray. Okay, okay. Guys, this is insane. Thank you so much. I am so happy. Like, I literally had a crazy feeling. I've been on vacation. I just got back to this. Was waiting for me. That's insane. Look at that thing. Thank you so much, Matt and Tom. I love it. What a great mystery box. And I will continue to buy every autograph from you guys. Just insane. I am speechless. Thank you so much.